Okay, in this video, we're going to take a look at how to set up your GoGuardian using Google. So what you're going to do is if you have Google Classroom already set up, you can import those students directly in to GoGuardian, and it's my recommended way of getting your students into GoGuardian. It's probably the easiest way. It's not the only way, but it's definitely the recommended way. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So once you go into your GoGuardian account has been set up, you're going to go to the GoGuardian website, goguardian.com. You're going to click sign in. And it's going to ask you to log in with your account. So log in with Google. Select your account. And if you're a first timer using GoGuardian, you're not going to see your classes already. I've been using GoGuardian for years now, so this is what it looks like when it's already set up. But the question here for this video is how to get your classes synced in. So if you're using Google Classroom, what you're going to do, you're going to see an import from Google Classroom button right here. We're going to go ahead and click that. And it's going to take a second to load all your classrooms. So then you're going to choose which classroom that you want to do. Or you can do multiple ones. So let's say that I want to, I'm going to bring this one in here. Scroll down, and then you come down here and you click import classroom. And it'll show you all the students. And in this case, for this, for the purpose of this video, this classroom that I just import only has one student. It's a sample classroom that I use, but all your students would be right here. And as time goes on and you add kids to Google Classroom or you subtract kids from Google Classroom, you can keep it synced with GoGuardian by you have a sync students from Google button right here. So that's something that you can use as your rosters change throughout the school year. So the question is, like, how do I get back to here? So if I come over here on the left side, you see where it says classrooms. You'll see that class has now been added to my list here of classes here. So if I want to go in there and I want to sync my students because my rosters have changed, and go up here to settings. And I'm going to go here to add students. And that's where it'll show me the list of all my students here. And then I can click sync. And if kids have been removed or been added to my classroom, it will then reflect here in GoGuardian. So feel free to, if you have any questions, to reach out to me by leaving a comment on the video or reaching out to me through email.